What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest microcap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven. Now, the project we're about to cover in this video, we've already covered it before, but you could tell that this project has a bright future ahead because the team and the creator, the founder of the project, has been developing throughout the bear market, has been building non-stop, adding more and more utilities to the project. There's always, things being done for the project. So this is a project, you could definitely take serious. The project that I'm referring to is Shido Finance. If you hold Shido Finance, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The more you support content creators, the more chances we have for our videos to get into the algorithm, and who knows, it might get new eyes on the project. Meme Coin Daily, 761 subscribers, guys. Be sure to show support to the channel. And before we get into the video, just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it's very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, when we head over to CoinMarketCap and we pull up Shido on screen, you can see the statistics right now. We have 4,494 people that has it on their watch list. That's pretty good to see. It is on Ethereum and also Binance Smart Chain. $5 million in market cap right here, $70,000 in 24-hour trade volume, and the full circulating supply of Shido is out and circulating. Price for Shido is 0.000141, down 15%. But like I said, guys, every time I'm on social media, crypto, Twitter, the engagement for Shido is through the roof. I'm always seeing someone share something about Shido with new developments that are taking place with the project. Project is building throughout the bear market, leading into the next bull market, and who knows what the future could hold for a project like this. We'll also take a look at the DEX tools of Shido so we could have a better view of the chart. But if you look, you look around August, September of the project, great entry point. It literally ate a zero and went up to 3 zeros, 1 6. Now it's doing a bit of a correction because people are taking profits. But like I said, it's been building for a while. Look at when the project came out, around April. In April, that's when the project came out. Just a sideways accumulation this whole time, and then huge move up to the upside because the development has never stopped for the project. The community has never stopped putting in that work and growing as well. So that's why we got such a huge move to the upside after all that accumulation. And if we come down lower index tools, you can see it's already listed on an exchange, DigiFinex. I'm sure there's more centralized exchanges in the works for Shido, and it's on Baby Doge Swap, Uniswap, and Pancake Swap as well. Now, when we hop over to the DEX tools of Shido, like I said, guys, it had it had its launch around April, and then it was just in sideways accumulation, but the team kept building, the community kept putting in that work, growing, spreading the word of Shido. Then we had this huge move to the upside. Now we're retracing back down. People are taking profits. We may come back down to this support, or we may come back down even lower, but who knows what kind of catalyst could send the project to the upside next. But I'm sure as time progresses, even with some corrections along the way, we'll get some catalysts that send us even further to the upside. There's also a lot of crypto influencers, very large crypto Twitter influencers that are bullish on Shido, and you love to see that, guys. The Shido brand and website did also have an update since the last time we checked it out on the channel. Shido building the ecosystem of decentralized finance. Shido is a next generation cross-chain DeFi ecosystem. One thing that is super interesting that I saw about Shido is the development of Shido Chain, Layer 1 EVM blockchain for Shido. This will incorporate, smart contracts into Shido, and then projects could build dApps on the Shido ecosystem. One of the better utilities in the crypto space. When we go back to the front page of the website, you can see all the other utilities as well, like the Shido wallet. Last time we checked, it will have two-factor authentication, which is a much better setup than MetaMask, because MetaMask only has the seed phrase and that's it. You know what I'm saying? Even with the seed phrase, that is still not super secure. So with two-factor authentication built into the wallet, that adds an extra layer of security for Shido, which is pretty nice to see. We also have the Shido DEX, Shido perpetual DEX for what I would think would be limit and leverage trading. The Shido MasterCard, I think they just recently released the card. The Shido Market NFT and Shido Games, a play to earn games for Shido. See, the Shido wallet is already live, and you can download it right now. One of the fastest growing crypto apps in the industry. Join thousands of active users. Download today for free, and it's on Google Play and the App Store. You also see that there's a breakdown of everything for Shido, the tokenomics, all the use cases, and Shido also has partners as well that you guys could do your research on to add more legitimacy to the project, because it's great to see projects partner with other projects, you know what I'm saying, to keep building throughout this bear market. Like I said, it's a very bullish project and I like what I see. I really love the brand update as well, you know what I'm saying, the new logo, the new symbol for Shido, and you could tell the dev team is putting in that work to bring success to Shido and its investors. Also the community as well. The dev team is super based, but the community, you guys are super based. And like I said, I really appreciate if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support the channel. It really helps out. I'll definitely do my best to cover more Shido in the future. Now let's hop right over to the official Twitter to see what we got as far as, you know, updates and any major news that I may have missed since I last covered the project. Shido Finance is building Shido Chain, Layer 1 EVM blockchain, Shido Exchange, and Perpetual launching in November. Now, a decentralized exchange, especially with what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX DeFi, is taken much more seriously now. So with Shido building their own exchange and Perpetual as well launching in November this month. I'm not sure if it already launched, but we got a few more days left in November, so I wouldn't be surprised if they deliver on their time frame, because they have been delivering since the last time I checked out the project. And like I said, what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, a lot of people will be a lot more serious with DeFi going forward, and that could add you know, a lot of eyes to Shido and a lot of new investors, or you know, just give them a place in the space because of, you know, another, you know, big company's failure. So we got 32.9k followers on Shido. And the first tweet we have recently on the 16th, Shido MasterCard is the most exclusive and versatile crypto debit card to enter the market. Spend your crypto directly with Shido wallet in 42 merchants worldwide. Off-ramp your crypto with fiat with just a click. Shido is building the future of DeFi, guys. This is what I'm saying. This would add, you know, Shido developing for the future of DeFi will definitely carve out a space for the project going into the future. And it has 294 likes, 185 retweets. Like I said, community is very based, so the social engagement is definitely, you know, nothing to scoff at. We have a tweet from Bjorn B, the CEO of Shido himself, retweeted from the Shido official Twitter. Shido's wallet's financial infrastructure keeps its non-custodial, even though issuing a Shido MasterCard demands a one-time KYC with third party. A new card wallet is created from where you can spend crypto off-chain with no network fee involved. Shido continues to build, so it's non-custodial. You know what I'm saying? They say keep your crypto off of exchanges, because when you have it on exchanges, it is custodial. The exchange owns your crypto until you withdraw it to your, you know, your wallet, your cold wallet or your hot wallet. So with the Shido wallet's infrastructure. It's non-custodial, and then you could integrate the use of the Shido MasterCard as well, with just a one-time KYC with a third party, and then you could spend crypto off-chain with no network fee involved. You know what I'm saying? That is very bullish. Now you could just take your Shido card and use it like any other debit card you were using before, and then purchase whatever you like. You want to go get a coffee from Starbucks, you can use a Shido card to do so. That's what I'm saying, guys. From the last time I checked out this project, I never expected it would have been building so much in like what, a month. I checked it out like a month ago, and it has already developed so much since then. So it's really bullish to see, like, you know what I'm saying, you can't just scoff at a project like this. You know what I'm saying? Do your own research and go deep and see if this is a project you'd be interested in investing in, because with what I'm seeing so far, you never know what could happen in the future for this project. I have another tweet from Bjorn. Shido wallet does not collect any data from its users and never will. Now this is very bullish, because recently what has been circulating is that MetaMask collects your IP address, so they know the location that you are with your transactions. Now a lot of people have suggested that you just use a VPN to get around this, or you could just use a Shido wallet that doesn't collect any data. You know what I'm saying? Might as well give it a try instead, because as we could see with all the bigger companies in the space, a lot of shady things are happening, and the bear market is really flushing out all the shady things in the space, bringing it to everyone's attention, bringing it to light, if you will. So yeah, this is very nice to see from Shido. Now, like I was saying, there are a ton of legit people in the crypto space that have made tweets about Shido. Like, for example, Gandalf Crypto saying it's coming, Shido continues doing its thing, smart people keep accumulating, I'm in it long term, Shido Finance is making all the right moves to become a blue chip token. And he has 82.6k followers, and from what I've seen, just like what Gandalf stated in this tweet, you could see it's making all the right moves to become a blue chip. They have been developing and building non-stop. Another tweet from Alt Crypto Gems, 269k followers, very huge account. Heard the Shido MasterCard collab is launching soon. It allows users to start spending crypto at 42 million merchants worldwide. Shido Dex and Perpetual also launching soon. The Shido project just keeps doing its thing, and it could be a good project to keep an eye on, guys. Tweet from Crypto's Batman. The Shido project is growing, the community is growing, the Shido token price is growing. Big things are coming for Shido. They have so much in the pipeline and a great team behind it. Couldn't say it better myself. Tweet from Rich123. Not all CEX is good CEX these days. You need to be careful where you bury your treasure. Definitely has a solution. DeFi Nately. A one-stop shop that provides generational wealth, enough foreplay. Get in there. And we have like a full breakdown of all the utilities and how Shido is shaking up the DeFi space as we know it. A decentralized DeFi aggregator, liquidity protocol, and perpetual platform. Works under the DAO model. Stake your Shido perpetual platform. Tokens excel for fixed predetermined price. Trade digital assets. 100x leverage on most popular digital assets, so you can add leverage to your trades with Shido. High security. Earn rewards from your crypto assets. Shido Dex will automatically buy back and burn 30% of revenue in Shido. Our DEX tokenomics are truly deflationary by nature. We are allocating a stunning 30% of the transaction fee in our swap to automatically buy Shido and send to the burn address. Oh, that is super bullish, guys. That is very, very bullish. People in the microcap space really love burning mechanisms. This is super bullish for Shido to be burning 30% of revenue in Shido with transactions that are happening on the DEX of Shido, which causes the project to become deflationary, real deflationary, like it says in this little graphic video, guys. That is amazing stuff. And like I said, with what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, a lot of people will be taking DeFi seriously, and they will be using decentralized exchanges more than they use centralized exchanges going forward, you know, just to be on the safe side. So yeah, fire stuff from Shido, guys. Tweet from Guardian Dubrovka breaking down the Shido utilities in, you know, very nice images for you to see. Have the DeFi wallet, the DEX, Visa, MasterCard, perpetual trading, and the layer 1 blockchain, and the timeline as it plays out. November, which is this month, for the Visa, MasterCard perpetual trading, which would be next month, and the L1 blockchain going into Q1 of 2023, and the Shido Visa card access to over 42 million merchants, physical and virtual. Spend your crypto in real life, low fees, full integration with the Shido wallet, utility after utility after utility. This project is very bullish, man. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. Right now it's at 5 million market cap. I wouldn't be surprised how far Shido could go. 10x to 100x. 10x would be 50 million, 100x would be 500 million. So even 1000x would be 5 billion market cap, right? It could get into those blue chip levels, guys. So never rule anything out in crypto, guys. Just be sure to manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And then who knows what type of, you know, upside potential you could get with Shido in the future. From Cyber People, I hope you're ready for the next Shido run. Shido finance, not financial advice. And we could see him having some TA done on Shido. We had this huge run up, this correction, then another run up, and we take a look, we zoom out, we could see, man, it has been building, and then huge 13x move for Shido. And like I said, I will not rule it out. Anything could happen. 54 likes, 24 retweets. Every tweet I covered had a lot of social engagement as well. I am definitely gonna do my best to keep covering Shido and its developments on the channel. Last time I checked out the project, I didn't expect it to, you know, be so far ahead in such a short time. I could only imagine like 6 months, a year from now, where Shido would be, as long as they keep this momentum, this pace with the development, with you guys as the based community that you are. And yeah, the future looks very bright for this project. You know what I'm saying? I will never rule anything out in crypto, because always expect the unexpected. If you hold Shido, let me know what you think about the project down in the comment section. And if this is your first time hearing about Shido, let me know what you think as well. Let's have a discussion. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.